Honourable Minister and Chairman, fellow Rotarians and guests. I'm honoured to speak briefly about the Rotary programme to bring wash, water, sanitation and hygiene to people in your country, Uganda. Rotarians have a great history of humanitarian work, especially in the developing world. The best known programme, of course, was the campaign to eradicate polio. Conceived by Rotarians in 1980s, they quickly brought in UNICEF, the World Bank, and the Centre for Disease Control in Atlanta as collaborators, as partners. It was an incredible program. In 1988, there were approximately 350,000 cases of polio a year, and the data collection was terrible. There could well have been twice as many as that, and in 122 countries. Since Rotary launched this program with the collaboration of those other three agencies, the number of cases per year has dropped to fewer than 1,000, and it is now endemic in only 4 countries: Pakistan, Bangladesh, Afghanistan, and Nigeria. As polio is almost eradicated, Rotarians are saying, what next? Water, sanitation and hygiene is an area of focus. It is the key to literacy, child and maternal health, disease prevention, food security, poverty reduction, even peace and conflict resolution, and most critical, community development. One example of what we do is seen in a $6 million WASH program in Ghana, the Dominican Republic, and the Philippines, managed jointly with the U.S. Agency for International Development, often referred to as USAID, as it's commonly known. But more significant in the long term is the program which you, Honourable Minister, launched last year, the Uganda Rotary Water Plus program. All 70 clubs in Uganda have committed to achieve the Millennium Development Goals, raising the level of access to safe water and sanitation in rural areas from the present level of 66% to 77%, bringing safe water and sanitation and hygiene to 5 million plus people who currently lack this essential for life and livelihood. The program is off to a good start, Madam Minister. A major project in Gulu, which you're familiar with, in partnership with World Vision, has brought water to some 60,000 people. Another is about to start in Lira. And just yesterday, I reviewed a proposal for the Bulgaria region where 250,000 people lack access to water. Projects are being designed by other clubs, in all cases involving the communities and local authorities, and with support from the clubs in Kampala and other international Rotary clubs from the high economy world: Canada, United States, Northern Europe, Australia, and also clubs in India, Korea, Thailand, and Japan are supporting this countrywide initiative. Among other proposals which I have seen in draft form are those for projects in Soroti, Kigali, Masaka, Kajansi, Kigezi, Kitgum, and Arua. And there is talk of tackling Karamoja when we get a Rotary Club in that area. Honourable Minister, on behalf of WashRag, who are a passionate Water and Sanitation Rotarian Action Group, who are a passionate group of Rotarians committed to WASH, I thank you for your support from the very first time we met in your office some 4 years ago. You described the challenge. I said we would respond. It has just taken longer than anticipated. Rotary is a democratic organization. I thank you also for your unstinting support of the WASH program in your country. Even though you have recently changed your portfolio, we will always think of you as the mother of this initiative. Thank you very much.